Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find where the variable intake solenoid fuse is located. If you have problems with the variable intake solenoid or problems with the variable intake flap not working correctly, always check that fuse guys. Before we start, let me tell you, it should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata right here guys. This is a 2.4 engine, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure is practically the same. So looking at it guys, okay, right here, variable intake solenoid. Okay, variable intake is right here. Actually, it opens and closes that flap, and the solenoid is right here underneath. So let's explain where actually that thing is located now. You need to go ahead and find your fuse box. How you do that? Right here. One tap on this side, one here, squish, pull straight up. Okay. And ours got stuck on this side, okay, right here guys, because our tap is actually broken. So let me get a screwdriver because somebody guys, okay, actually got this tap broken, and as a result, okay, now ours is not working. So what we're going to do, okay, right here, I need to get it with a screwdriver. And it's not going to work out. I need to get a bigger screwdriver. So let's see if we can go ahead and pull it out. Okay, perfect. On this side came out. Now on the back side, need to go both of them at the same time kind of thing. Okay, let me do this side now. Okay, perfect. Now took us about 5 minutes to open that fuse box, but you get the idea guys, that flap is broken here and it should look like this one. So in our case we had to use the screwdriver to actually do that. So looking at it now this way, check it out. You can see right here the fuse that we're looking at guys, okay, will be that fuse, okay, which is known as sensor 2. Okay, you can see right here, sensor 2. This is a 15 amp fuse, and this is the fifth fuse from, okay, from this way, going this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here. This is fuse number 5 guys. So now very helpful information we'll share. Okay, once you remove the fuse, don't just look at it guys and think it's a good or bad fuse. Sometimes the fuse may look fine, but it's actually a bad fuse. What we will recommend, always test them. Why? Because if you put a bad fuse in, you think it's good, you're going to start putting money, time to fix your car, which is not worth it guys. All we had to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad, and replace it. So if you don't know how to test it, we made a video that explains how to do that in just a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. And when you're ready to put that fuse together, okay, all you have to do, push it in. If you're on the road and you need some spare fuses, those usually are spare fuses, and you have another 15 amp fuse that you can actually use from there guys. But without that fuse, most likely your car will not run as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful for any of you trying to find the fuse for the variable intake solenoid. If you have any questions, let us know, drop a comment. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.